The club is hosting its Christmas Dirt Bike Championship on the 2nd of December at 4 p.m. and goes into the evening. So yes, night racing is back. While our main events are the 85cc, 125cc, 250s, and quads, we also have some amazing feature races like our beginners with riders as young as 4 years old, females, 65cc, the 125 Suzuki L Series, and an over 40 race. We're hoping that we can safely accommodate 1,500 to 2,000 patrons. We're hoping. We have realized that the numbers that we had the last time have doubled based on our ticket sales. So we're hoping that we can accommodate everyone, and we also have a spot on the seawall, a viewing area that will be available for tickets purchased. Tickets cost $1,000 for entry for everyone 12 and up. Kids under 12 are free.